Hey everyone, this week I wanted to go over our customary conversions practice. I just wanted to make sure that you got the correct answers. And as you can see, I did pull up our gallon bot that we used in the classroom. This is kind of what we went by to help us with our conversions. I also wrote down on the sheet that we'll be going to our hints. So we will refer to both when going over our practice worksheet. Remember just to correct them, the ones you got wrong, and if you have any questions because you still don't understand where you went wrong, just send me a dojo or email. So let's just go ahead and start by going over this practice. It might take a little bit, so let's get started. So let's look at number 1. We have 36 cups, which equals how many ounces? So we're going to go through and we're going to practice on each of these. So I have them written down. That way I could do it with you. So we know that 1 cup, as you see it right here, excuse me, 1 cup equals 8 ounces. So if we have 36 cups, we know each of those 36 cups has 8 ounces in it. So each is a keyword to multiply. So what you would do is you would multiply 36 times 8. And what you would get would be 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 4 would be 28. So therefore, you would have 288 ounces in 36 cups. So 288 ounces. All right, let's look at number 2. 32 gallons equals how many quarts? All right, so let's look at this on our gallon man. So we have 1 gallon. How many quarts are connected? We have a leg, an arm, and an arm. So we have 4 quarts, which equals 1 gallon. So if we have 4 quarts, as it says right here, equals 1 gallon, and we have 32 gallons. We have 32 gallons. And in each gallon, there's 4 quarts. So we're going to multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 4 is 12. So therefore, we have 128 quarts. 128 quarts. All right, so the next one's kind of an easy one that we would do in class. We all usually got the feet inches pretty good. So we know that in 1 foot, there's 12 inches. So 1 foot, 12 inches. We have 8 feet. So 1 foot equals 12 inches. And we have 8 feet. So we would multiply, which would be 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. So therefore, we would have 96 inches. All right. Now, number 4. 6 pounds equals how many ounces? So in 1 pound, there's 16 ounces. We have 6 pounds. So we have 6 pounds. And in each pound, there is 16 ounces. So therefore, 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 3 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore, again, our answer would be 96 ounces. All right, number 5. We have 27 yards. How many feet do we have? So in each yard, we know that there are 3 feet. So if we have 27 yards, how many feet do we have? So we have 27 yards. In each yard, there's 3 feet. Multiply. 7 times 3 was 21. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. We have 81 feet. All right, 50 quarts equals how many pints? So 1 quart is 2 pints. So we have 50 quarts. So 50 quarts times 2 pints. 50 times 2 would be 100. So that means there would be 100 pints. All right, number 7. 63 yards equals how many feet? Okay, we did one just like this. So we had 63 yards. Okay, I can work the rest of these on the same paper. Let me move this stuff out of the way. So now, well, sorry. Okay, 63 yards, and in each yard there's 3 feet. So we would multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 3 is 18. So it would be 189 feet. Next, we have 4 pounds equals how many ounces? So we know that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So that we know we would have to do 16 ounces times 4 pounds. So 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So we would have 64 ounces in 4 pounds. Ooh, that was kind of messy, sorry. Okay. 20 gallons equals how many quarts? So we have gallons to quarts. So 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So if we have 20 gallons to 4 quarts each,